Nung nisilang ka.
Child, nung isilang ka sa mundong ito, it means that when you were born in this world,
And second.
and then your parents is very proud of you. At ang kamay nila ang yung ilaw. And when their hand is your guide, it means your parent. Their hand is your guide. Your mother and mother don't know what they're going to do when they're watching you while you're sleeping. At the night, they cannot sleep. Your mother cannot sleep at night. Just to prepare the milk for you. In the morning, your fathers bring you to his lap and very happy. Now, you're getting old. They just want you to become free, malaya, free.
Malaya, freedom.
Freedom, yes.
Yeah.
Freedom. Di man lang sila payag, walang magagawa. They don't want you to become, to use all your freedom. They don't want, but they have nothing to do.
Ikaw, what's the meaning? Ikaw. Now, ikaw.
Ikaw, it means you.
It's you.
You. Nga.
And you?
You. Ikaw.
Ikaw, you.
Ikaw.
And
Then nga, it means just to be soften the word. Biglang nagbago. Suddenly change. Nagbago, change, you change. Bigla, it means suddenly.
suddenly.
Yeah, sudden. Nagbago, it
Coibin. Change.
Yes, change. Suddenly change. You naging matigas, it means hard. Matigas, hard. Ang yung ulo, you become a hard-headed.
Kanyang ulo.
Matigas ang yung ulo.
Ang
And their advice, advice.
payo. What's
Payo.
meaning?
Advice. For me, I advise you. This is my advice to you, what to do. Like a parent, like a father advising the son or daughter.
Nila.
Nila, it means both of father and mother. And their advice to you, you didn't follow. Sinuway mo.
Sinuway mo. What's meaning?
Sinuway, it means that they're telling you, you do this one, and then suddenly you don't do.
Oh, okay.
It means they're giving an order, but you didn't care.
And then?
And then,
Next.
di mo man lang naisip. Di, it means shortened for not. Hindi, it means not also. Di mo man lang naisip.
Di mo man lang isip na
ang kanilang ginagawa para sa'yo.
Para sa'yo. What's meaning para sa'yo?
It means just for you. Yes.
Para sa'yo. Ikaw.
Ginagawa, it means
Ginagawa.
your parents doing a lot of things just for you. Okay. Pagkat ang nais nila ay masunod ang laya mo, because they want always masunod to follow your everything that you need. Everything that you say, they will follow. And then you didn't care about them. You didn't care about your parents.
Next.
Nagdaan pa ang mga araw, it means the days pass by. And then suddenly your way go to the dark side. Landas mo yung naligaw. It means that your way to the straight way as a person go to the dark side.
Oh, okay. I see.
And then you being a drug addict. Drug addict.
Tika.
Drug. You use too much drugs. Ikaw ay nalulung sa masamang bisyo.
Sama bisyo.
Yes.
Bisyo.
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 Yeah, bisyo. means you smoke, you gamble, and then you take drugs.
Oh, okay. Bishu. Yeah,
Yeah.
this minute Bishu.
Bishu.
Gambling.
Uh,
Gambling.
Gambling, girls,
Mm.
drugs,
And
at ang una mong nilapitan,
Ula.
purse.
Hmm?
The purse,
The first.
yeah. And the purse,
And the first.
the purse mong nilapitan, it means the first person that you go is your mother that crying, lumuluha.
Lumuluha crying.
Crying, yeah, crying, lumuluha.
Or lumuluha crying means.
Crying, umiiyak,
Yeah.
crying. Lumuluha is also crying.
Mm.
And they ask you, my son,
A lot. Why?
why? Why you become like this?
Why you become like this?
Bakit ka nagkaganyan?
Kakanyan.
Kaganyan.
Kakanyan like this. Yeah.
Anak, my son, why you become like this?
And
At ang yung
Iyong,
mga
iyong.
iyo, it means and
it's me. Yung.
iyo, it means iyo. At iyong mga mata di mo malang napapansin. At ang iyong mga mata di mo napapansin. And then your eyes that you didn't know that suddenly you pagsisisi just what to call this one?
Pasisisi.
It means that you regret. You regret being a person that before I regret. I don't want to become that person anymore. And then you don't know that you nalaman sa isip. And then you regret in your mind that you make a big mistake in your whole life.
In your whole life.
Yeah. Pagsisisi sa isip, isip is mind. Pagsisisi means regret. You regret. It means that I regret, and then suddenly you know that you mong ikaw, it means you, iyo, ikaw, nagkamali. It means you make a big mistake.
Oh, okay. 那个态度，安娜，菲利亚基拉，
Freddie Aguilar.
菲利亚基拉，
Freddie Aguilar, the most popular song in 80s, 90s.
1890
No, around 1980 to 1990.
and 80.
1980,
Oh.
yes. He was popular in this song.
He wish slowly.
Yeah.
The word. Ready?
Nang isilang ka sa mundong ito, laking tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ang gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo.
Tulog mo.
Tulog, it means you're
Log.
sleeping.
Tulog.
Log.
Log.
Tulog.
Tulog mo.
Pagtulog
Oh,
mo.
sleeping. Tulog.
Tulog, sleeping.
Tulog mo. Where? Tulog mo.
Here. Tulog, pagtulog mo.
Oh, pang.
Pag.
Ha?
Pag.
Pa.
Pag.
Pang.
No, not pang. Pag. Pagga.
Paga.
Pag.
Patulog mo.
Pagtulog mo. Pag.
P-A-G.
G. Pag.
Patulog
Pagtulog mo.
mo. Fangao. Sleeping.
Pagtulog mo. Minamasdan, it means they're watching you while you're sleeping.
Watching you. Oh, sleeping. The baby.
The baby, yes.
Yeah.
And at sa gabi na
Sa gabi.
pupuyat. And then at night.
Sagabi.
Night.
Night.
And at night, gabi, night.
Gabi. Where? Gabi.
Here. G-A-B-Y. I-Y.
G-A-B-I-Y.
Gabi.
Salamat gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
It means good evening.
Oh, gabi.
It means evening.
Yeah.
At this one is abbreviation of night. Gabi.
Night, gabi.
Ano? Napupuyat. It means,
Lapupuya.
they cannot sleep.
Cannot sleep.
Cannot sleep.
Cannot sleep. And then,
Ang iyong nanay,
ang iyong lalay was meaning.
is your mother.
It's your mother.
Ang iyong nanay. It means, at sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo.
Ang iyong lalay.
Ang
Sa...
pagtimpla.
Ha?
Making a milk for you.
A milk?
Milk.
Nai. Make a nai. Make a... Sa...
Pagtimpla.
Patingka.
Timpla.
Timpla.
Ng gatas.
Nang gatas mo. Lang gatas mo.
One moment.
Okay.
Pupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At the night, your mother cannot sleep just to make a milk for you. And at the morning,
Umaga.
at umaga, and
Sa umaga.
at sa umaga naman, and the morning, while your father, kalong, it means sitting,
Sitting.
in the lap, yeah. Sitting
In the lap.
in lap, yeah. Kalong ka ng iyong amang tuwa.
Karang iyong...
Amang. Amang is your father.
Amang?
Amang. Ama. Ama, ina, ama, anak. Just two letters adding for long one. Ina, it means your mother. Anma is your father. Ina is your mother. Ama is your father. Anak is you.
Yeah.
And in the morning, you're sitting at your father's lap, and he was very happy with you. Tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Very happy with you. Tuwang-tuwa.